Hi again. Today I will give two trading ideas and I will also give a quick update regarding old ideas that I gave before. First one is GOTU, which is a GOTU Tishido stock. As you can see here, it's actually very bullish setup, and we have this um, bullish flag or like bullish pennant with this triangle here. And as you can see here, price managed to do like the retest on this trend line and went up. So normally, if it came back, it will go beyond this retest. So it will either do a retest here, or in my opinion, the best entry will be underneath this support zone, which is around 2.26 or 25. So here. And also, if we look at monthly chart, this is also a very good gap that actually it got filled somehow, but it didn't got filled to the 50% of the gap. So I think it's still valid. So I think the best entry will be underneath 2.23. And also, as I said before, if we manage to take this inducement here, so if we get a price around 2.8, it is also a very good price. And as long as we are not investing millions, and so this small difference between like 2.23 or 2. Or even 2 and 2.8, it's not a big difference. So it's better than to risk missing a very good trade because you waited uh, too long for entry. The second one is NIU, which is also I have been watching this stock for a time, and as you can see here, we have this demand that turned to supply. And now we have this bullish signal. It looks like a bullish engulfing candle, but be careful, the month is not over yet because this is a monthly short. So we may look at weekly. We will see, like on the weekly chart, we managed to break the first moving average, which is the exponential moving average 20. As you can see here, I'm using this one here. And if we go lower to lower time frames, we will see that actually on daily time frame, we managed to, we have this like accumulation setup. And as you can see here, we have a huge volume in this area, which was around maybe 1.7 or so. And of course, if we have the spring underneath this lows, so it will be like 1.5, it will be a very good entry. And I think it's in this moment and in these prices, it's a very low risk because if you put like maybe $200 or so, you will get like 100 stock of this 100 share of this stock. And if we look at the short, we managed to reach like 50 before. This doesn't mean that we will reach it again, but one of these things that I like to see if I want to buy, to see something like this, because above this trend line is always liquidity. And I think we may go to target this liquidity that above this trend line. Maybe we will reach this. This is the most positive scenario. Of course, we have lower targets. Here is also a good target. Here is also a good target. And of course, this resistance is a good target too. But I think if we test the resistance once, the second time we go there, it will be broken. And just if, according to my experience, we test it once, the second one, people expect it to hold, and then it gets broken. That's why I always only trust retest the first time, but the second time normally it gets broken. If you look here again, so this one here as an example, we have this break and then a retest, and then it went up, but as it came back, it broke because people expect it to hold, so that's why it break. Um, Third one, no, I don't have a third one. Now I will do like the updates regarding previous ideas. First one is XINYI Solar. As I said before, my entry was here at this gap here. And as you can see here, price actually went lower than my entry. My entry was around 5 and price went to 3.5. But as you can see, after that, price went up, and actually it looks very solid. Two candles on monthly charts, like first engulfing, second big candle green. I think my analysis was right, and I think we may go and see higher highs. So I'm happy regarding this stock here. Why I'm happy? Because I don't enter actually in stocks that I trust. I don't enter with stop loss, to be honest. I don't use stop loss, so I just buy stocks in this company. And I believe if I buy it at 5 and it went to 3, it's not a big deal because I know or I believe it will go up. And if it didn't, I will lose some money. But I don't like to put like stop loss because I don't use leverage. I just buy with my money, so I don't. Of course, you know what leverage is. And second one is PayPal. Also, I gave a recommendation to buy the stock, and as you can see here, we are seeing this channel got broken. I said you can wait for this here if you want to better entry, but it didn't reach it, and I think it may actually still come back to reach this area, but I think price is ready to go up from here. So I'm also happy that I bought this stock at these prices because it was a monthly short, I guess, or 3 monthly short. It was a gap. Yeah, it was a very big gap. And as you can see here, I will leave this here for future. And as you can see here, this doji candle, another big candle, 3 month short. So I think price may go and liquidate these double tops here. This is also a very optimistic scenario. Second one or third one is Sibanye Stillwater. It reacted exactly. This one reacted exactly to my analysis till now, of course, because price may continue and go downwards from here. But till now, I see looks like a very good order block to place your buys. And actually, I bought some here. So I'm very happy that I've seen at least a very good reaction. It may not hold, of course, but I'm pretty optimistic because on daily chart we started to break the 200 exponential moving average. And if we look at 4 hours chart, we are already above all moving averages. So it's a very good signal. Of course, it's not uh, guaranteed, because as you can see here, we already did that before and we went downwards after that. Here it may be different because, as you can see here, we have this huge volume. It wasn't there before, to be honest. Here we didn't have any volume, but this time we had a huge volume to support our trade. I always prefer to see volume stepping into a stock, because that's what you want to see. Huge volume, giving us the indicator that this stock is actually worth it. And then you step into, maybe you looked at this candle, you look at the where did they buy. They buy around 4, so you can wait and for price to come back again to 4. As you can see here, came back to again to 4, volume stepped in again, and then now, because they can't complete the, normally they don't buy at once, they have like an order. They buy they take part of the position here, and they wait again, take another part, and then again take another part. As you can see here, the volume is getting lower and lower, because they are completing their order. And now when the volume is getting lower and lower and there is no volume, price starts to go up. That's it for today. Follow for more.